How to install Amibroker software.
If you want to install the Amibroker platform, then follow the steps. Step 1. Download Amibroker software. Step 2. Download Amibroker any version. Step 3. Use Amibroker version 5.2 or above for better results. Step 4. After downloading, double-click on the program's icon. This will launch the setup program. You can safely accept all default values by clicking Next on each page and Install on the last page. Step 5. By default, Amibroker is installed to the C program files Amibroker directory, and this location is referred to as the main Amibroker directory. Step 6. If the setup program asks you to restart the machine, please do so to allow to replacement of system components. Step 7. After installation, you can start Amibroker software.